Hi, this is Rob from Skid Steer Solutions. I'm here to introduce you to the latest accessory for augers. This is the 14-inch stump planer. Features 3 removable and sharpenable cutters, as well as a starter point here that's also removable, so all of this stuff can be changed out when it wears down. It goes on our standard 35 or 4500 augers. This is my 5-year-old Eterra auger that I've used in many of the demonstrations, and we're just going to demonstrate this to you today. First thing I'm going to do when I cut into the log here, because this is larger than the actual cutter face, is I'm going to do a fan approach. So I'm kind of going to overlap each one of the cuts. This guide bar here keeps it from jumping from hole to hole, and that's why you see this on here. So with all that said, let's get started and I'll demonstrate it to you.